Okay, my honors, this is the review for the test. I'm going to talk kind of quick or freeze and do these problems for me, and then I'll do them. Okay, so since I can get the same base, this would be 2 to the x equals 2 to the fifth, so x equals 5. This, I go 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the negative 3x minus 3. So I'd have 2x equals negative 3x minus 3. Add 3x. Divide by 5. This one, right as a log, you go log base 2 of 8 equals 3. This one, log, now you don't have to put the 10, it's assumed, of 1/10 equals negative 1. Now, this one, 4 to the 3 halves, square root of 4 is 2, cubed is 8, and 6 squared is 36. Okay, do these 5 for me, please, and then turn me back on. Okay, so x squared equals 36, so x equals 6, square root both sides. Remember, the base cannot be negative in the log. So 9 to the 1/2 equals x. Half means square root, so it's 3. This one, 8 to the x equals 32. So you'd have 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the 5. 3x equals 5, so x equals 5/3. This one, 27 to the x equals 1 over 81. So 3 to the 3x equals, 3 to the negative 4, negative to get it on top. So 3x equals negative 4, so x equals negative 4/3. 16 to the x equals 8 square root of 8. So this is 2 to the 4x. This is 2 cubed. And this is 2 to the 3 halves. Square root, you put it in the bottom, the index in the bottom. So I have to add 2 to the 4x equals, this is 6 halves, so this would be 9 halves. So 4x equals 9 halves. So divide both sides by 4, x equals 9/8. Okay, do the top two. And then turn me back on. Okay, you get 1 log. When you add 2 logs, you multiply the innards. So whenever you have a log on both sides, same base, the insides have to be equal. So 2x equals 40, so x equals 20. This one, oh, this is sloppy. This is supposed to be x minus 7, but I put a plus and I meant a minus, and anyways. So it's log base 8 of x squared minus 7x. And then, since there's only 1 log, I'm going to rewrite this as an exponential. X squared minus 7x equals 8 to the first. So x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals 0. Now you could do completeness square, quadratic formula, or factor x minus 8, x plus 1. So x equals 8 or x equals negative 1. But be careful, my friends. I can't put in negative 1 because this would be negative and you can't have the log of a negative. Only the power can be negative in a log. Wouldn't work there either. But 8 does work. So yes, no. Okay. Do these 5 for me. Freeze the video, do them, and then come back to me, given this information. Okay, log 24, hey, that's 3 times 8. So it'd be log of 3 plus log of 8. So it would be 0.478 plus 0.9. So it'd be 1.378. Log of 1/3, that'd be log of 1 minus log of 3. Well, 10 to what power is 1, and that's 0. So it's the opposite of log of 3, which is negative 0.478. Log of 30, well, notice the base is 10 if it's not shown. We can use that, so it'd be 3 times 10. So it'd be log of 3 plus log of 10. So it'd be 0.478 plus 1. Because 10 to what power is 10? Whenever the base of the log and what you're taking the log is the same, it's 1, or it's the power that's on this term. So it'd be 1.478. Gee, it seems like we did this a long time ago. Now, most kids get this wrong. But how do I write 8 in terms of 2? It's the cube root of 8. Now, cube root is 1/3 power, so bring the power out front. So it'd be 1/3 of 0.9, which is 0.3. Now, you may use a calculator with the last two, but do them and then turn me back on. So what I'm going to do is take the log of both sides. And the third law of logarithms says you can bring the power out. I'm going to do 2 steps and then divide by log of 3. And let's see if I can do this on this old calculator, because I can't do it on Desmos. So I'm using Desmos to write my video. So I'd have log of 60 divided by, oops, I messed up. I got to use parentheses on this old one. Divided by log of 3. And it says 3.7. Do the hundredth, so it'd be 3.73. Now, I can check this by raising 3 to the 3.73 power, and it's right around 60. It's a little bit above it because I rounded above. Yay! So again, I'll go log of both sides. Mercy. So then I take the power out, and then I'm going to divide by log 5. So I did 2 steps there, my friends. So I rewrote it as x minus 1 times the log of 5, just not to confuse you. Then I divided by log of 5. So on this old calculator, let's see. Goodness, I can't even read it. It's so tiny. So log of 70,000, close parentheses, divided by log of 5 is 6.93, but then I have to add 1, so I get 7.93. Now, in real life, you wouldn't round to the 100th, but... So that's our review for the test. Wednesday, I have office hours, so you can ask me questions between 10 and 11. But if not, that's okay. Test Thursday. Zoom in first. Bye-bye.